Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your shoulders looks wider in a photo or video by using the Capcut PC. So here you need to add the clips or the photo that you want to edit, and after that just click on the photo or clip. Go to the enhancement menu at the video here, enhancement tab. Click on that and scroll down until you find the body section. Okay, this one, body. Click on this box to turn it on. And here you'll see at the first option there is wide shoulders option. So if you want to make your shoulders look wider or bigger, you can just swipe it to the right like this. You can see now there's some changes in this part because it's not a portrait looking at the camera, so it's not really visible, but that's basically it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks button below. Thank you.